Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm very happy to be with you in this beautiful session where we are going to learn and compare where we can use will and shall, part 1. Because the purpose of this channel, Literature Class TV, is to learn literature in English and English grammar in use for the purpose of being eligible to do various things. And we know that English is a part of English is a part of literature in English. How can we use will and shall and where? Subscribe if you are new on this channel. If you have subscribed, coup de chapeau. Okay, let's start diving into this session to see the use of will and shall, part 1. We have also part 2. We use I will when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. My friend, we use I will when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. When you want to do something in the time of speaking, my friend, use I will. There we have example. Oh, I have left the door open. I will go and shut it. Because you left the door open, because you have left the door open, in the time of speaking, you decide to go and shut it. That's why we say, I will go and shut it. Example number 2. What would you like to drink in the time of speaking? What would you like to drink? I will have an orange juice. Please, in the time of speaking, the decision of the receiver, she will or he will have an orange juice. Example number 2. Did you phone Ruth? Oh no, in the time of speaking, I forget. I will phone her now. In the time of speaking, the receiver decide to phone her now. We often use I think I will and I don't think I will. How and when you will use I think I will and I don't think I will. Remember, we are discussing about the use of will and shall, but I will start with discussing about I will. We know that we use I will when you decide to do something in the time of speaking. We have example which can help us to compare the use of I think I will and I don't think I will. Example 1. I feel a bit hungry. I think I will have something to eat. I think that you are together about that question, that example. 2. I don't think I will go out night. I'm too tired. I don't think I will go out night. I'm too tired. This is the use of I think I will and I don't think I will. I think that there is dissimilarities between the use of them. We are discussing about the use of will and shall. Turi kurebera hamwe uburyo dukoresha will and shall. Duhera kuri will, tubona ko dukoresha will igihe wamaze gufata umwanzuro wo gukora ikintu mu gihe turi kuvugamo. Tubonye n'uburyo dukoresha I think I will and I don't think I will. Tubonye ko kubikoresha nabwo kubera ko hamwe hariho negation n'ahandi akaba hatarimo negation, ni ukuvuga ngo imikoreshereze yabyo iratandukanye. In spoken English, the negative of will is usually won't or will not. In spoken English, the negative of will is usually won't or will not. Let's see the example. I can see you are busy. so I won't stay longer. I can see you are busy, so I won't stay longer. We often use will in this situation. We are going to see the situation where we can use will. The situation 1, we often use will to do something. We often use will to do something. Example there. That bag looks heavy. I will help you with it. Not say I will. Not say I help you with it. We use will in the situation of to do something. We ought to do something. We have example there. The bag looks heavy. I will help you with it. We don't say I help you with it. Another situation. Agreeing to do something. We use will in the situation where you agree with someone to do something. Example. You know that book I lent you. Can you have it back if you have finished with it? B. Of course. I will give it to you this afternoon. They agreed to do something. The receiver agreed to give back the book that he had already borrowed. Another situation. We use will in the situation where we promise somebody to do something. Where we promise to do something. We have example A. Thanks for lending me the money. I will pay you back on Friday. Not I pay you back on Friday. Another example B. I won't tell anyone what happened. I promise. They promise to do something there. Another situation is asking somebody to do something. We use will in the situation when we are asking somebody to do something. A. Will you please be quiet? I'm trying to concentrate. We are asking him to be quiet. Another example. B. Will you shut the door, please? We ask somebody to shut the door. That's why we use will in that situation. You can use want to say that somebody refused to do something. When you want to say that somebody refused to do something, we use will in the negative where we use want. Example 1. I have tried to advise her, but she won't listen. I have tried to advise her, but she won't listen. Meaning that she refused to listen to the sender. Example number 2. The car won't start. I wonder what's wrong with it. The car won't start. I wonder what's wrong with it. Twari turi kureba uburyo dukoreshamo will. Dukoresha will mu buryo muri situation cyangwa se mu buryo butandukanye. Iyo often to do something, gukora ikintu buri gihe wamaze kwemeranya cyangwa se kwemera, agreeing to do something, kwemera gukora ikintu, iyo uri buze kwemera gukora ikintu ukoreshamo will. Igihe promising to do something, igihe watanze isezerano cyangwa se wahaye isezerano umuntu ko uri bukore ikintu. Iyo uri gusaba umuntu gukora ikintu, asking somebody to do something, iyo uri gusaba umuntu gukora ikintu ukoreshamo will cyangwa se will you, passing there. Tubonye ko igihe iyo umuntu yanze gukora ikintu dukoreshamo want. Twabonye ko want ari negasiyo ya will. How can we use shall I and shall we? Shall is used to mostly in the questions. Shall I, shall we? We use shall I, shall we to ask somebody's opinion, especially in offers or suggestions. Dukoresha shall I and shall we iyo turi kubaza umuntu igitekerezo cyane cyane hari icyo akeneye cyangwa se turi kumusaba ikindi kintu runaka. Example, shall I open the window? Do you want me to open the window? Turi gusaba umuntu ko uri gusaba umuntu ko wafungura idirisha. Ese nafungura idirisha? Uri kumusaba igitekerezo kiri muvemo. I have got no money. What shall I do? What do you suggest? Nta mafaranga mfite. Nkora iki? Uri kumusaba igitekerezo cy'icyo wakora. Shall we go? Just a minute. I'm not ready yet. Twagenda gutegereje umunota. Ntabwo nari nitegura. Where shall we go this evening? Turajya hehe uyu mugoroba? Turukushaka kujya tumenye igitekerezo, opinions cyangwa suggestion iri buve kuri uwo muntu turukubaza. Compare shall I and shall we. Shall I shut the door? Nafunga umuryango? Do you want me to shut the door? Shall you shut the door? Wafunga umuryango? I want you to shut the door. I want to shut it. Nshaka kufunga iki umuryango. My friend, we have been discussing about the use of shall and we and will. We try to compare the use of will and shall. We have seen that we use will when we decide to do something in the time of speaking, and we use shall for questions or for asking somebody's opinion. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.